Hello class, we are going to program a traffic light. So firstly, we need to go to robots, Arduino program, and now to create the block. The block is going to be green, okay? And in the green block we need to set the digital pin 9 as high, 10 as low, and 11 as low again. And now we are going to wait 2 seconds. Now we are going to define the block red, very similar to the green one. So we are going to duplicate these blocks, but in this case the 9 is going to be instead low and digital pin 10 as high and digital pin 11 as low. Now we are going to define the block yellow, okay, and we need the same blocks, but now we need the yellow light to blink. So wait only for 1 second, and the only pin that we have to get low is the digital pin 10, because this is going to be high, so this is going to be low, the 11. 11 is where it's going to be the yellow LED. So in the 9 is going to be the green, in the 10 is going to be the red, and in 11 is going to be the yellow. The yellow is going to blink from high to low. And it's going to be repeated for 3 times. For example, so 3 times. And we have to put wait for 1 second, the set digital pin 11 output as low. Now the only thing is to prepare the Arduino program. That is very simple. Go to robots, get data block, red, yellow, no, sorry, red is after, green, yellow, and red. And as we want a loop running the program again and again, we are going to put it forever. And that's all. And there is a mistake. This is low. Sorry, this is low also. So low, low, high, and low. That's all.